Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel, and today we're exploring a game-changing tool in the world of AI website building, so Lovable AI. So whether a designer, founder, or just someone with a great idea, Lovable lets you build full websites using natural language prompts. And yep, just describe what you want, then boom, it's live. So let's walk through on how it works. So what is Lovable AI? Lovable AI is a full-stack AI website and app builder that translates simple prompts into live hosted web apps. It uses AI to write front-end code, back-end logic, and also database models. And no manual setup needed. It's like having a full dev team in your browser powered by ChatGPT and also built on top of technologies like Supabase, Next.js, or React. So let's get started. So, going to this, homepage, head over to unlovable.dev. You can sign in with GitHub or Google. I just use Google. Then after that, in the dashboard, you're gonna go and create what you want here, but it does take a bit of time, like 4 to 5 minutes. So we're just gonna explore the web ideas that I already made. So website features here. You have a clean, modern, front end layout. It's editable. So let's go with this one. So this is what I built. It's a employee deck, as you see here. It works. It looks really nice. Everything is very clean. You can also add authentication, and also this has back end on Supabase integration. Also full project folder structure. Plus the code is editable right here, so you can edit the code here. You can also view it on GitHub, which is pretty cool. If you go here, view on GitHub, so you do need GitHub access, but you just need to log in your GitHub so you can have it there. So we have here, we can also deploy our domain here. So we're gonna publish this. We can publish the websites ourselves. So we're gonna start publishing it now. So that means that we can use this as our own website, and we can publish it online without having to do any setup on domains. So we can just copy paste that, and it will pop up in our windows. So that's pretty cool. So that's my domain here. I see here it's Lovable. I see here this is my website that we just made. I just made this by saying build a job board with filters. So I see here it's already live. You can just enter the link and people can use your website. So that's pretty cool, right? So customization and control. You're not if you're like not locked in, like Lovable gives you full access to the code. So if you're technical, you can tweak components and connect APIs or push to GitHub directly. You can also ask it to regenerate parts of your site. Example, replace this banner with something red or something like that. You can ask that, but I'm not gonna do it now because it's gonna take some time. So use cases for Lovable.ai, personal website, also SaaS landing pages, portfolios, dashboards, internal tools, and e-commerce MVPs. So Lovable is perfect for anyone who wants to move fast and get their idea out in the world. No waiting on devs or learning to code. So if you just want to do it without learning the hassle of coding like this, you can absolutely do it. So we're gonna talk about pricing and access. So free plan, available for testing. Paid tiers unlock private GitHub repositories and also custom domains and more advanced features. So in conclusion, on lovable.dev, so my conclusion here is that if you ever wish that you can just describe your dream website and have it magically appear, Lovable is for you. Lovable A gets you pretty close, so it's powerful, fast, and actually builds real website, not just templates, which is pretty cool. Like you can interact with this and stuff. See, it's pretty cool. And if you found this helpful, give it a like, hit subscribe, and let me know in the comments below what kind of website you wanna build with Lovable in mind. So, as always, guys, I'll see you on the next video. Goodbye.